In a slow and rhythmic cuddle tempo, gentle animals voyage through letter lane, teaching A to Z with playful tunes. Next, a rainbow train hums numbers from 1 to 10, guiding tiny passengers to count wheels, cocoa cups, and friends. A forest scene softly spotlights colors as cute critters clap red, blue, yellow, and green, making color names drift into memory. Vehicle pals glide by, teaching days of the week and familiar sounds while repeating simple actions over and over for recall. Finally, nature friends whisper about weather, seasons, and plants, tying all lessons into a gentle bedtime sing before lights fade.